all sorts going on for World Book Day this week. Yesterday we had Jim Medway coming in to do his workshop with pupils all about how to create a comic book from scratch. He's a published comic book author. They absolutely loved it. They learned all these amazing skills about how to make their own comics.
I've really enjoyed today. It's been great. I've had two really nice groups. We whizzed through all the skills that you need to make your own comics. We did something about character design. We did speech bubbles and thought bubbles, using black and white effectively, which is really important when you're making your own comics, and just general clarity and thinking about your reader. I often find those that are the least confident get the most out of these sessions. We're keeping it super clear, super clarity. World Book Day is just a really nice way to celebrate reading and sharing books that we enjoy.
So for World Book Day this year we had a theme of heroes, not just superheroes but heroes in general, and my hero is obviously a feminist, Emmeline Pankhurst, because without her we wouldn't have the vote or lots of other women's rights. Everyone has been amazing, everyone who's dressed up has been amazing. We've had a lot of pupils dressing up, which was really good. A lot of staff dressing up, which was really good. We had a big turnout at lunchtime.
Today we've had lots going on in the primary. They had a tea event in the local library.
I think it's a great opportunity for kids like my sister who love reading books and things to have a library close by to the school so they can have the opportunity to read and enjoy books because that is what she loves to do in her spare time, so it's a great opportunity.
I think that this is a really good opportunity because in school sometimes we don't have the books that I want, but this I've got plenty of books to look through. I've got the computer to maybe take quizzes and find other books that I want to read as well.
I think it's a good idea for kids to socialise within the library. I think it exposes kids to more of a practical life through the books. So I think it's a brilliant idea for parents to bring their kids to the library and have a little read. It's good fun.
I would like to tell you it's really nice to see all the parents together and the kids very excited to go to the library and get their first library card and get the opportunity to sit with the parents and learn and read the books.
I'm very happy to come with my mum because it makes me happy and feel excited
to come to the library.
Then this afternoon we've had the amazing Josh Silver come in to talk about his book Happy Head, about all the themes, about dystopian fiction, how to write, his story, how he came to where he is today.
My book is called Happy Head. Happy Head is a dystopian thriller. It's a YA book based around a dystopian vision that is masked by a mental health system, and it follows the story of a young man, a 17-year-old guy called Seb, who is very anxious and unhappy, and he's recruited to go and spend 13 days in the Scottish wilderness to undertake the Happy Head project. But also I think my experience of being LGBTQ+ and growing up with struggling with my mental health, that really influenced how I wanted to set it, and I was asking them to think about what makes them scared, and together we created a little dystopian book, putting obstacles in the way and finding out about emotional obstacles rather than physical ones, which seem to have more of people can relate to those more, I think, and I think that's what's so amazing about books, is you can find them in the pages and you find your people there. So that's why World Book Day is so exciting.
It's World Book Day and I'm dressed up as Amelia Fan. Reading is very much fun and World Book Day is the best day to celebrate reading. World Book Day is colourful, exciting, and you get to dress up. That's why it's most of my favourite days in the whole year round.
We had some primary children come into our library, reading with some of the high school pupils. They did an amazing job. They were like little mini teachers. I couldn't believe how well they took to it naturally.
There was so much effort went into the costumes, people doing homemade things, people buying outfits. I think it's great when they're a little bit older but they'll still get involved in that kind of thing, and it was lovely to see the primary kids coming in as well. They look so cute in their costumes.
I've had an amazing day today. World Book Day has been fantastic. I'm so proud of everyone here and I am absolutely exhausted in the best way possible. So thank you to everyone and we'll see you again next year.